Hello! Today I'm going to look at the Victorinox Cybertool M, previously known as the Cybertool 34. This is a really cool model. This is quite a chunky model here. 5 layers thick, but thicker than a standard 5 layer because the pliers layer and the screwdriver bit layer are much thicker than the normal 5 layers. I'd normally carry a 2 layer or something. So that is quite a bit thicker, isn't it? What have we got here? A climber, which is a standard 3 layer one. Again, that's a lot chunkier. Deluxe Tinker 1, 2, 3, 4 layer. So we're a bit chunkier than that too. So yeah, this thing's a fair bit of weight in your pocket. Let's just have a quick comparison of some of the weights of the Victorinox models. We've got a Cadet there, 46 grams. We've got a Climber there, 84 grams. Victorinox Deluxe Tinker, 125 grams. Cybertool M, 153 grams. This thing fits really nicely, I think, in your hand in use. Really cool. It is weighty and it is solid, but it's not that heavy, is it? I have been carrying this around as my EDC for the last few days. I had one of these years ago and lost it about 2, maybe 3 years ago, and I've hesitated to buy a new one. Got this one a couple of days ago, and yeah, really nice to have one back. I think this is a great tool. I certainly wouldn't want to pocket carry one bigger than this. I think I attach this to like a lanyard or something and it's in my pocket there, whip it out when you need it, and I think it's got a really useful tool set. So you get the standard Victorinox big blade on there and the secondary smaller blade. You get the separate opener layer with flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper notch, can opener, small flathead screwdriver, which is also very good for some small Phillips screws. You get the excellent Victorinox scissors. These are brilliant, I love them. Really fine, precise cutting ability, dead useful. Then on the back you get the corkscrew, which comes on this model, comes with the small tiny little eyeglasses screwdriver. Obviously you can get other things to go in there, tinder, firelighting, little ferro rods, stuff like that, great stuff. Then of course with this model as well you get the little pin included. Can come in useful sometimes. I've used one of these to unblock my car rear wash wipers very recently. You can use it as a SIM card ejection tool. It's a little sharp pokey thing, Then of course you get the tweezers, the toothpick, and again included on this model you get the pen in the slot there. I find it really handy to have a pen on me at all times. Having the pen and the plus scales and the pen on there already does save you some cash in terms of upgrading your existing 91mm knives, where apart from the compact you have to buy out aftermarket plus scales to get the pin slot and the pen slot, and then buy the pen and the pin separately. So yeah, that's good having that already on there. Then you got the hook. I'm not even going to have a go at the hook this time because I always slag it off. You get the hook. You also get the fantastic little awl, such a useful implement, poking holes, drilling holes, scraping, secondary blade there. Yeah, I love having the awl on there. Back on the other side again you get the little pliers. I really like these tools. You're not gonna tear down fences with these, are you, or replace your car's engine block, but they're great for small tasks. Yeah, they're great. I use them for small electronics, guitar maintenance, if I'm soldering, stuff like that. You can grab onto little nuts and give them a bit of a twist. I think it's a really handy little tool to have. I like that. Tiny little wire cutter there, only quite thin gauge wire can be cut, a little crimper there. I like that tool. And what makes this the Cybertool is this excellent bit driver. Comes with 4 double-ended screwdriver bits in there. There's a little ball bearing, clicks onto a detent in the bit driver there. That's really good, really nice long reach on there, and very cleverly the other bits are all kept in here. What do you get? You get a little hex bit there, 3 different sizes of Torx bits, 3 different sizes of Phillips, a little flat head on there. That's the reason to buy the Cybertool, really. A lot of people apparently use them on computer maintenance. That's where the cyber comes from, right? But yeah, dead useful. I used this yesterday with one of the Torx bits to fix a broken loo roll holder that has been dangling down on the wall for months, which was a little hex scrub screw in there that had been all gnarled up. I actually managed to get this Torx driver to fit in there and tighten that up. So it's just dead handy for pottering about having this on you. Again, with any Swiss Army knife, you're not going to use this to build a house, are you now? But just to have there as a backup, really handy. I love this model. I do quite like the Deluxe Tinker as well, because it's got the pliers, but it's got the Phillips screwdriver on the back. I don't like the Phillips screwdriver in this position. You're so limited into where you can actually get this driver in. I don't like it. I'd rather have the corkscrew there, than you can carry the little driver or various other implements. So I can't see my poor Deluxe Tinker getting used as much as this little beauty. Now I've got one of these again. Great little tool. What do you reckon? I like this and have been carrying it every day since I've got it, which is only a few days. It will probably get moved back away from my pocket again after a little novelty is worn off, because it is a little bit heavy, it is a little bit bulky. But yeah, absolutely great model. Love it. Expensive though. What do you reckon? Do you like this one? Do you use it? Is it a bunch of hot crap? Let me know what you think. Goodbye. Take it easy.